Hello, Puppet.
Hello.
What have you been doing this week? It looks like you've been very active.
Yes, it's been a very exciting time. Puppet been out in the neighborhood for the first time.
Oh, tell us what that was like.
Oh, me meet a lot of people. Me make important discovery.
What? Tell us.
People who meet Puppet are the luckiest people in the world. It's true.
Puppet, I'm sure it is true. Who did you meet in the neighborhood this week?
Well, first we meet G-Man, FBI guy. His name, Mailman Jimmy.
Oh,
He let me look in the back of his truck.
he
It's
did.
filled with top secret information. Boxes, packages, letters. Me already know too much already.
Well, that does sound like an exciting time this week.
Very much.
I'm glad
Yeah.
that you brought. Did you see anybody else? It sounds like you're bringing joy to the neighborhood.
That's pretty good. Yeah, me just out and about, walking around. You know, people in cars. They're waving, honking at me.
Really?
You know, yeah, it seemed pretty nice. Like, they're
Okay.
laughing. You know, it's funny. Yeah.
Well, who doesn't like Puppet?
Apparently everybody likes Puppet. Kind of weird. Me not expect it, but that's what's happening.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm glad to see that you are bringing joy to the neighborhood. You know what else you're bringing?
What's that?
They tell me that you are chef of the day today.
Oh yeah, me chef of the day. Me
Remember?
almost forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So please tell us what you're going to make, and I am yours. Tell me what you need.
Okay. Today we're making Puppet's Dessert Panini.
Okay.
You can't read very well. Me only 7. Me almost said Desert Panini.
Well, all right. Now tell me how you're going to start. What do you need?
Okay. So first we need sourdough bread.
Okay. Looks like they put that here, and it looks like it's been buttered already.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh,
What-
by the way,
Yes.
we should probably tell people this. We're using panini press.
Oh, right.
This thing really hot.
It is.
Me also forgot to tell that this recipe have my 2 favorite ingredients.
What
A
are
whole lot of sugar and heavy machinery.
Ah, well,
This thing is very hot.
it is.
Not for little kids.
Nope.
So
Definitely need supervision if you've got little ones making them. So
parental supervision.
it's hot on the outside.
Yeah,
So please,
yeah.
everybody careful.
Watch
Okay?
out. Yeah,
Let's
watch
get
out.
started. Tell me what's going in this panini of yours.
Okay, so dessert panini mean
Ah.
dessert things.
Yeah.
So how about let's start with the chocolate, that chocolate peanut butter. What's
Oh,
that
the
stuff called?
hazelnut spread
Hazelnut.
that you like.
There you
Okay,
go. Yeah.
let's start with that. One side of the bread or 2? You tell me.
Let's do one side because we got something for the other side.
Okay, so let's
Let
get
'em
it
more.
on there.
Little more.
Okay. Okay, Puppet. Ooh, looks like we need a
Uh-oh,
little.
getting low.
Getting low. We'll have to
They
get Chef
they
to
call
get
us
us
Nutella
more.
too, right?
They do tell it. They do.
Probably not supposed to say that, but
Well,
yeah,
we
that's
can.
right.
All right. So
Okay.
what else?
Regular peanut butter.
Oh,
We won't say
okay.
the name of that brand, but it rhymed with Biff.
Looks like it's the creamy kind.
Yeah.
And no peanuts. So
No peanuts. Me like peanuts too.
Let's put
It's
a little
all
bit
right.
more
Whatever
in
you
there.
got. You know, it's pretty good.
I know. Ooh,
Oh,
a
thanks.
little problem over there.
Uh-oh.
I know that we've gotten comments that we're not using enough peanut butter.
Well,
So-
me would probably use more, but this got a lot of stuff.
all right. So
So,
okay,
ready?
what's next?
Okay, so next, one of my favorite ingredients, marshmallow sauce.
You what?
Marshmallow sauce.
You mean marshmallow sauce?
Yeah,
Marshmallow spread?
yeah, that's what me said. Marshmallow sauce.
Okay.
Keep going.
One side.
Hey, be the chef here.
Ooh.
Whoa,
One
whoa.
side or 2? Ooh, that's pretty
Oh,
fluffy.
both sides. Oh, put a lot.
Oh.
Yeah, make it look like a pillow.
Yikes. Both sides?
Yeah, why not?
It's gonna be quite a sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, dessert.
How about that?
Yeah, pretty
It's
good.
like little
Keep my hands out of
clouds
it.
of deliciousness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little
What
cloud of
next?
something.
Okay. What
Okay.
next?
Now, do you got any bananas?
I do.
Oh, wait, you got hair on that thing.
Uh-oh. Where?
No, on the
Oh,
knife.
well, we aren't going to use that anymore,
okay.
so we're good.
Keep going.
Okay.
It was my hair.
It was your hair.
It's orange hair,
It's an
yeah.
orange hair. Okay, these bananas looks like
Yeah.
they've been prepped and sliced for us.
Oh yeah,
so-
sliced. Me usually use half, but this easier to eat.
Okay.
Nobody likes to fight with their food.
No one likes to fight with their
Yeah.
food.
Yeah.
No one.
Ooh,
Okay.
pretty good.
Look at that. Now,
Yeah.
maybe we'll keep a little for garnish, but I'm not the chef, so.
If you like,
Okay.
me not sure.
All right. Now, what else do you need?
Me open to to possibilities.
What else do you need?
How about some chocolate chips?
Okay. Do you want, oh, looks like we've got some here.
Yep.
These seem to be semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Yep.
Going all over.
Semi-sweet,
How many?
all sweet, whatever you got.
All right.
Okay.
What else?
How about some butterscotch chips?
Oh, delightful. We've got some of those here. Ooh, smell.
That's good. Oh yeah.
Scotchy.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Scotchy.
Me like, me also like if you got those flavored like cinnamon or strawberry chips, whatever you got.
Cinnamon would have been
whatever
good.
you got.
We've
Yeah,
got
that'd be
some of
good.
those, but not out for us.
In the pantry.
What else?
Do you got any of those Heath bar pieces like
We do.
toffee, whatever
Yep.
you call it?
We
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
We
Put
do.
some of that on.
Uh-huh.
Oh, getting out.
Okay. So then,
You're sliding over.
how many you want?
Get off
Sprinkle it
screen.
all up?
Yeah, sprinkle it up. Whatever you got.
Really?
Do it all.
Okay. It's
Yeah,
going to be
look
like
pretty good.
candy.
Yeah. Sure
Okay.
is.
All right. Anything else?
Me forgetting anything?
I don't think so.
That's pretty good.
That's
So
a lot.
Just gotta put it together.
It is
That's the hard
dessert,
part.
though. It's almost like a cookie type thing.
It is.
Okay.
It is dessert.
Now, we're going to have to slap it together.
Yeah, that's the hard part. So me let you take over here.
All right. All right. So we're going to put it together like we
Yep.
mean it. You're
Yep.
going to have to put it or
Yep.
it's going to fly everywhere.
Yeah. Not too
Put it like
fast.
you mean
Everything will
it.
fine. Yeah,
Okay,
perfect.
look at
perfect.
that.
Look at that. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. Me excited. Yep.
Look
Do
at
it.
that. Look what
Do
you
it. Do
created.
it. Do it. Oh yeah.
All right. Now, again, super
Right in the
hot.
press, yeah.
So get
4
some
million
supervision.
degrees.
Yep. Please get
Yeah.
supervision if you're going to
Yeah.
use that. And then we're going to put it in
Yeah.
the press.
Let it
And
press.
let it do its thing. You don't
Yeah.
with this one. You don't have to squeeze too hard because it'll ooze all out.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Now we're gonna let that go.
Yeah.
And you know what?
Yeah.
In the interest of time,
Yeah.
we've got one already prepared. So this one came out.
Yeah.
Look at this. So over
see.
here on our plate, look at this. Look at this. Look what
All
you
right.
created.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Look how
Yeah.
delicious. Look at the layers.
Oh, it's crazy.
All right. So you know what's gonna make it a little bit more
What's
special?
that? Add something.
How about some powdered sugar in
Yeah.
it? Because
Oh,
it's
good, good.
dessert.
Yeah.
You know what?
Can't
It's
have too
dessert.
much sugar.
Can't
You tell
have
you, a
too
whole
much-
lot of sugar.
Whole lot of sugar.
Yeah.
Whole lot of sugar, Papa.
Snowstorm of sugar.
No storm of sugar. You know what else might be good? Look
What's
at
that?
that.
Well,
Maybe a few bananas.
Oh, yeah.
Now I
Nice.
don't. You're chef, so
No,
you
go
tell
ahead.
me.
Go ahead. Me
Okay.
open.
I don't want to take over.
No. Do it. Do it.
Okay, and then
Good
maybe.
idea. Yeah.
You know what? Because
Yeah.
you like these so much, let's sprinkle it with a
Sure.
little bit
Sure.
more.
Whatever. Yeah. Can't have too much. Remember,
Look at that.
too much is never enough.
Too much is never enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is that it?
Pretty much. I think
All
so.
right. So I think
You
that's
can cut
it.
off the crust if you like, but this is pretty good.
I think so. Let's leave it like this because
Yeah.
it looks picture perfect.
Yeah.
You've done another amazing job.
Me excited about eating. Keep going. What else?
Well, I think that's it. You know where you can reach us. You know there's comments in the community page. Would you like to say a little goodbye?
PuppetWorld.com.
Well, perhaps puppetworld.com is coming, but for now, let's just say goodbye.
Okay.
Thank you. Wish everybody
Subscription,
a great week.
like all that stuff.
All of those things that everyone supports and does for us every week. So,
Yeah.
all right,
Yeah.
we're going to say goodbye. Thank you very much.
Victory with dessert sandwich. Hooray! Victory! Victory! Yeah.
Very nice, Puppet. Thank you.